Hello. Are you gonna say hi? Hello. What about gray hair? Pwede naman gray hair. Let's go. Bye-bye.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay and we're back for another video. Finally, sana tuloy-tuloy na. Before we start, please do subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Today, I'm just gonna share my day with you. I'm gonna take you with me all throughout the day. So, I've been struggling with my hair for the past months. As you can see, medyo mahaba na yung buhok ko. Medyo unkept siya and ang hirap niya ayusin. Nakaka-damage ng buhok yung mga wax, yung mga hairspray, hair dryer, hair iron. It's very time consuming. Abot na siya hanggang chin. It's long because I wanted to have long hair na pwedeng i-man-bun. That looks good, diba? It looks good. I have really wavy hair. Sobrang gulo niya. At some point, gusto ko magpa-ikli ng buhok na sobrang clean cut. We can have short sides, long at the top. Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung gusto kong gawin sa buhok ko. Gusto ko rin magpakulay. At the same time, parang gusto ko rin ng jet black. Pero magmumukha siyang wig. Should I go for like gray, salt and pepper, or magpa-highlights kaya? Low lights, the one I did a few years ago. Or something bold, blue. Uso pa ba yun? Uso pa ba magpa-blue ngayon? Or copper tones? I don't know. Green. Nung New Year, sabi ko magpapagupit ako kasi New Year, new me, new hair, new look. Hindi na siya umabot. February na. So sabi ko, Chinese New Year na lang. Lucky daw yung magpahaba ng buhok. Pero ang init kasi. And struggle mag-ayos or trim para mas maganda yung tubo. Kaso, lumagpas na tayo sa Chinese New Year. Magna-March na. So, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm just going to trust the Lord Ramos. So, we're going to visit Creations by Lord Ramos in Makati. Today is the day I decided na magpapaayos tayo ng buhok. Hindi na tayo mag-iisip. Magtitiwala tayo sa mga experts. So, I'm gonna trust Lord Ramos to do my hair. I think they know what to do with my face shape, my skin color, my hair type. Masusurprise na lang tayo later. I don't know what I want. So, I'm gonna let them do what they want with my hair. After that, siguro hanap akong lunch. Siguro baka mag-gym ako. Pero di ako sure kasi parang kulang ng tulog. Recently, medyo hirap ako matulog. Kahit uminom na ako ng magnesium. It can help with sleep, anxiety. It doesn't help me. Pag melatonin naman, minsan di rin siya gumagana. And pag gumana man siya, I have these weird dreams verging on nightmares. Sobrang weird, creepy, scary dreams na di ko rin maintindihan. Iniinom ko lang siya pag sobrang desperate ko na. It's parang sobrang naiinis na. Tara, shower na tayo. Dapat magwo-white ako. Pero na-realize ko baka magkulay ng buhok. Makulayan yung shirt. So, okay na yung black.
We're here at Creations by Lord Ramos. So, pasok na tayo.
Okay, sir. Afternoon po.
Going na.
Hi.
Dito ka muna.
Actually, di ko alam. Kaya lang dito.
Oo nga. Hindi ano ka tayo. So,
Sige.
color natin. Color. So, ice coffee. 6.8 ang morning. Go, prepare na yun. I'm editing some.
Let's go now.
Let's start na yung ginagawa mo pa.
Ngayon week na agad.
Abdan.
Dito ka rin. Hi.
Nagong atake. Sabi nga ni Laura, ascape.
And si Kuya Mar, siya yung nagkulay ng hair ko. Hello po. So, hanapin niyo na lang siya pag pumunta. Mama Lord, and ayan, siya yung responsible sa buko.
Responsible. It's
Ay.
called Quiet Luxury. The cut is very Korean-inspired. Gentleman's haircut during the time. Yung Kingsman, remember that?
Yes.
So, it's very on the now. The trend is like that. Clean looks lang.
Clean look tayo this year.
Hindi ka tulad na pa yan. Well, I'm doing platinum, so yeah. So,
Branding na niya.
branding ka kasi yan.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Enjoy the new hair.
If you don't know what to do with your hair and you need to find an expert, dito na kayo. And I trust them with my hair. It's kind of red, not that loud. Subtle colors lang. So trust the process lang talaga. Trust them. I love the new haircut and sobrang nakakagaan ng ulo. I love it and I'm just off to Glorieta to have some lunch. Tara. Just grabbing lunch and we're gonna eat here at Key Live. Bibili ka ng painting. Ano ma-interpret mo dyan?
Malanding babae, ilabas to ko. It's like, it's awakening my emotion.
Yung babaeng mababang
This
lipan.
brings fertility.
Dito kami sa badminton court sa Taytay. Biglaan sila na kaya nag-badminton. So, dito kami ngayon. Wala ko sa mood maglaro. Hindi ako kulay ng buhok. Andito na sila. Habang naglalaro sila, bumila ng pagkain sa labas. Binagong water. Sila, naglalaro sila. Nahirapan pa ako kasi hindi nagtatanggap ng GCash yung nagbebenta ng pants. So sa kabila ako bumili, kaya nagbinagoong. Pero wala silang rice. Binigyan nila akong 15, nagbigay GCash lang. Ang hirap pag wala kang cash on hand. It's me and my GCash against the world. Ano? Talo ka. Nag-walk out. So, uwi na kami. I mean, tapos na kami kasi close na sila. And kakain daw kami somewhere. So, hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Dito kami sa Kamayan sa Antipolo. Yung Tamerlane's Kamayan, may bago na silang pwesto. Favorite namin to pag taga-Antipolo. Kami na yung nag-close. So, siya yung may-ari talaga.
Yeah, thank you so much po for coming.
Si Bernadette.
My name is Michelle Tamer.
Asan si Mark?
Nakakulong sa lababo.
Hello.